Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money through video editing. So make sure to watch the full video. If you want to make money editing videos, there are plenty of opportunities available. Whether it be working with companies to develop a perfect promotional video for their products, or athletes looking to highlight their skills to prospective universities, the opportunities are endless. With that in mind, in order to maximize the amount of income from your video editing business, you should explore several different income avenues. 1. Freelance on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. In today's world, there are plenty of places online to promote and secure freelance video editing work. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork serve as a marketplace for people looking for all types of services, including writing, video editing, and graphic design. It's free to set up your profile and start advertising your services. The only thing you have to do is create a few listings, set your pricing, and get to work. That said, the challenge with these sites is that they take a cut of your profits. On the flip side, this is a small price to pay for the large number of potential clients that use their sites every day. The exposure alone can be worth the fees. Just be sure to price your services with these fees in mind. Also, it's important to know that Fiverr and Upwork have different fee structures. So, one may be better than the other for you personally, so check them both out. When getting started, you may need to charge a lower rate than normal. Because clients look for freelancers with a solid rating, it may take a little time to build up your reputation on these sites. However, if you consistently produce good quality work, you will be able to increase your pricing in no time. Oh, and don't forget to leverage your existing social media accounts to advertise your Fiverr or Upwork profiles. 2. Edit videos for local businesses. Local businesses often need to create video content but don't have the resources of a large company. These projects can include advertisements, investor presentations, or training videos. Start with some local business owners that you know to see if they need any help. If they don't have work for you, they might know another business that does. Don't forget to consider nonprofit or government organizations such as charities, schools, or churches. Like for-profit businesses, they need to promote their services or attract donors. You might even want to offer to provide free services at first to build your portfolio or get your foot in the door. This will help you build your portfolio and help you develop a solid reputation. 3. Edit wedding footage. Marriage is a big business in the United States, especially when it comes to videography. To get started, contact some local wedding videographers and offer your services to help them edit their footage. You can also secure work through wedding planners, venues, and caterers. 4. Film and edit real estate videos. Realtors often use videos to showcase the properties that they are selling. This helps provide a lot of exposure and gives buyers an opportunity to see the property without going in person to visit it. This is especially important for out-of-state investors who want to see a property without booking a plane ticket. Oh, and this applies to both commercial and residential properties. Oh, and don't be afraid to branch out from traditional real estate sales. For instance, apartment complexes, and even hotels, may want to film a quick walkthrough video to draw in prospective tenants. You could also partner with a construction company that builds commercial buildings. In many cases, they may want to produce a video to highlight their recently completed project to their client or other potential customers. 5. Create or sell a video editing course. If you are an experienced videographer, you might consider sharing your knowledge with others. Remember how much time and energy you put into learning the craft. There are always people who are looking to get into the industry and don't know where to start. Creating a course for them can be a lucrative venture. You have several options when creating a course. 1. You could teach this course in person. 1. This would allow you to give your students a hands-on experience as you guide them through the video editing process. 1. This could be a great way to find the best talent to take on as interns as you expand your business. 2. Another solution would be an online course that consists of a series of instructional videos. 2. The nice thing about this approach is that once the course is made, you can sell it over and over, creating passive income. 6. Edit videos for YouTubers. YouTube is a fantastic platform to share useful videos and entertain people. The challenge is that not every person who wants to create a YouTube channel is an experienced video editor. With that in mind, you could charge a fee to edit these videos for YouTubers. For the most popular YouTube creators, they eventually need to take on a team of people to keep their channel operating. They often required a social media manager, writer, and video editor. So, reach out to some of your favorite up-and-coming YouTubers to offer your services. You never know, they might just be willing to pay you to edit their videos. 7. Educational or explainer videos. When it comes to educational videos or videos that explain complex topics, you might immediately think of educational institutes. However, there are also needs in many other industries. For example, a technology company may need an explainer video that helps the customer understand the complex product that they are buying. Or a financial investment company may want to create a video series for their customers that explains how index funds work. If you are trying to secure this type of work, you might consider creating a series of explainer videos that help your clients understand aspects of video shooting or editing. Having these resources create educated customers and also demonstrates that you are an expert in your field. 8. Product or service promotional videos. Gone are the days when companies would hand out brochures or pamphlets to customers that were interested in their new products. Today, interactive videos are a great way to highlight the benefits of a company's products or service. Companies can put these videos on their website, may use them during sales presentations, or even play them at their trade show booth. Crowdsourcing content is also in high demand. On sites like Kickstarter, companies are looking to get funding for their company or project. And by having a powerful video as a part of their pitch, they improve their chances of getting the money they need. 9. Edit videos for anniversaries or special occasions. Life is full of precious moments like birthdays, anniversaries, and other special occasions. And while most people know how to capture a video on their smartphone, very few know how to edit their footage into a professional-looking video. Luckily, that's where you come in. If you are willing to put together footage for anniversaries or other special occasions, you can definitely make money editing videos. 10. Edit sports videos, highlight reels. Getting into college is an accomplishment. Even more than that, securing a major scholarship can be life-changing. For talented athletes, there are lots of scholarship opportunities. The challenge is standing out from the crowd of thousands of other students fighting for the same spot. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.